Right, so I didn't show myself prepping this. I basically just sanded these down really good and then got going because of the overcast cloud day. Rainy. It was raining all morning. Didn't really get a start on this until like 8. So what I'm doing is just throwing light coats on. I'm about to resand this. Got a lot of fuzzies on there the first time I did it, so. But yeah, so I got this guy. Just a quick little first coat on each one. I'm gonna sand that top part down a little bit, get rid of those fuzzies. Throw another coat on there while this guy's just kind of drying. But that's where I'm at right now. All right, coming back. All right, so just put, I think about 5 cans on there total. After the first one first part of this video, I basically just kept throwing it on. I do one coat on this guy, back, forth, diagonal, diagonal. Then I'd shoot over here, back and forth, like this, diagonal, diagonal, and then you know, on the last can you can see probably best that I went from right to left here. But overall, got a pretty good coat on there. It hasn't rained at all. I did get a couple of splatters from where my glove got expanded and went in front of the thing, but yeah, I'm gonna take these off. Pretty much just take all this stuff off, put it away, and come right back here. Boom, there it is. We're back. So I just took everything off. I'm really surprised at the how clean the line is on this. You can see which side has clear coat and not. Obviously this has been cleared because of the adhesive, but on both sides there's a pretty good line going across there. You can see the difference between dirty clear coat, clean clear coat, and just plug and play. Yeah, even though I just painted this yesterday, I decided to add a little more to it. Yeah, pretty much that. There it is, second coat. Roof and hood, second coat done. Shabbat. Alright, so it still didn't rain, so I started doing some stuff, and then I ended up doing more stuff. So what I've done is I took the back piece off, because I realized it's going to be raining more, so I need to really seal those up. Because this is what happens here. As it drains in, it just goes right in there and into the car. So I want to seal these up, so what I've done is I went ahead and kind of did a little more than I wanted to. Just sanded the clear coat, put a thing of sandable primer on there, that stuff. And now I'm just going to hit a quick coat of the actual paint around, coat that, and then I can reinstall, I'm going to coat just around the edge, and then I can reinstall the lamp, and then once it's dry I can add the sealant, black RTV sealant to it, and then I can clear coat it, or I will clear coat it. But right now I'm just priming, just hitting it up real quick. Gonna put a couple of coats on it, just because I could tape it off later, but I want what's behind it painted, so this is just a preliminary painting, so we'll get back when it sees what it is. Alright, so as you can see, I went a little overboard. I just kind of painted up to there. Everything I had just sanded. Figured what the hell, I just sanded it. I needed to paint a couple spots for the thing anyways, so I just quickly hit this up. Just on the edges. Get one little coat on there. I went over it really quickly, over the sandable one, and everything seemed pretty smooth, so I'm seeing a couple of spots where it ran a little bit, but I tried to run it smooth and as quick as I could so I can get this guy back in here and on there. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this. As you can see, there's a big gap there. I know it was bigger on this side than it was on that side. I'm gonna figure out what's going on. This guy wouldn't, this dude right here would not come off. So I ended up just ripping that off. It took me forever to get that nut out. You can see how just, yeah. It's pretty dirty down there, just cleaned it up. Got this guy back on there. We're excited to get it fully in. This I'm gonna just have to run a self-tapping screw or figure out how to get that out of there. Whatever is easiest. We take this back off and sand it and paint it. Probably not tonight because it looks like it could rain at any second. I just keep doing that stuff. But yeah, so there it is on there like that. So as we get closer, yeah, it's starting to turn there, starting to get there. You can imagine it though, right? Alright, there it is. I think that's that for this one. So I just hit this up with a little bit of the max fill expanding foam stuff. Let it dry, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then razor blade it back down, cut it down so it's flush, and then I've got RTV sealant all along the top of it and along down the side, make it look real nice. So, but I don't have any of that. Plus, I want to let this dry for at least a, I don't know, day. Maybe tomorrow I should be able to get around to it. But even right this second, looking great, so great. All right, so continuing onward with this, it's been like 2 days. This is fully foamed. I don't have any RTV yet, so I might cut that down, sand it. Do something with that real quick. I don't know. We'll see. I'm waiting currently on sanding pads from the Amazon dude, but I'm just kind of hitting this up, getting it started, hand sanding where I can. Haven't really finished, but I thought I'd take a break. That was really dirty in there, and I managed to get it pretty darn clean. So I want to get it sanded and throw a quick primer on there, and then get my light on there. Put some foam in it while I've got this beautiful afternoon. We're gonna do some sanding. I'm hoping to get this sanded off. At least put some primer on it, maybe 1 can. I think I have 1 or 2 cans right now. So I gotta re-up on that stuff, but yeah, I wanna be able to get all the way down over here. This is all sanded, as you can see, inwards, so I'll be able to hit the lip like I did on the other side. It's actually surprisingly turned out way better than I thought it would. It's a little dirty right now, but that poked through. That's fine. That's all going to be RTV sealant in there. I'm going to get it in there real good. Probably just get a caulking gun full of it. Get all the way around there. But as far as just a paint job goes, it didn't turn out that bad. I haven't sanded it or anything yet. I've still just kind of been letting it dry. It's been wet the last couple of days. I might try and hit it up a little bit today, but right now, I'm just kind of letting it chill. I might give it a quick sanding tonight, wash it, and then maybe clear coat it? I don't know. It'd be nice to have it clear coated so I can sand it and re-clear coat it tomorrow, but I might just make tomorrow into a full-on clear coating day. I'm not even... Just get this all sanded, because I don't think I'm going to put any more on there. So it'd be nice to get the hood, the roof, and the side sanded. And I want to get, for clear coating tomorrow, because it's supposed to be nice and I have the day off, finish sanding this and prime it. And possibly put 1 can of paint on there. Well, I don't know, I have to see how this, if doing sanding and painting at the same time is never a good idea. So I'll have to just see where I go with that, but alright, add to it. Alright, so I got this guy all finished up here. I'll show you that in a second. What I did was, dude came, so I managed to sand it off everything, got it all sanded off. Primed it, let it chill, waited a while. I only had half a can. So I pretty much just did right around where I was gonna do. I did clean this up, just barely. I haven't really done anything to it yet. Still just haven't even wiped it off really. Just basically cut that down. Not too worried about it because it's gonna get covered with black RTV. So this stuff is wet. I just put it all in there, starting to expand. Got this guy back in there. These guys I got off and sanded. Still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Because I just saw that bolt off. That sucked. It was terrible. I almost broke my hand trying to get it off. But yeah, that'll look nice once that's on there. I was gonna paint it, but like I said, I only had half a can, which is why as I started going, I started getting some metal, hitting up body metal, and so I wanted to just throw a little bit of paint on there until I can get some more tomorrow and really cover it. And I just hit this really quick with a really light coat. Just got it. I started sanding the roof more on that side than on this side. You can see it looks smoother over there, and over here it looks more rough, patchy, and whatnot. The front, I sanded the hell out of. I didn't manage to get rid of this line. It's very, very predominant. I ran out of the, I like to use the quadruple zero steel wool on them. And this side I almost got, I used like 3 of those just on this one line alone. You can see it. But what I'm thinking is it's got the clear coat on it. So even if it doesn't, it maybe kind of just make that a little more predominant on both sides. Maybe I'll put some black pinstriping. I have a lot of it, but I have to put along the edge. Replace that old maroon and gross shit. Maroon and orange, as it were. But yeah, she's looking rather grayish. Looks like a gray car from here. Looks like it's almost already done. It's got pillar, which is sanded. I just need to paint that. I should have hit that up as opposed to doing the other side, but there it is. It's getting there. But yep. And then I ordered the Civic sticker, which is supposed to be silver. It's kind of silver, in like the not silver at all kind of silver way. I wanted the OEM one. Whatever, it's a decal. I'll just pull it off. But you can see that thing is white. If you look, my car is a gray car. Shit, I got the white one. Just trying not to talk. All those people are going by. Okay, I thought that was something else. Yeah, well, there it is. Anyways, she's looking. She's getting there. Day by day. Sanding by coat by sanding by coat. Hey, just got off work. Got some plans later, so I'm not really doing anything crazy. But I just wanted to finish this video up with, I went ahead and wet sanded this with 600. Give it a quick rub and a quick spray. It's still a little dirty, but I think it's gonna come out real nice. It's looking good. Can't wait to get it all super clean. I'm gonna wait a couple days. I might throw more paint on here. I don't know. I did the top as well. Looking real good. Feeling really smooth. Yeah. It's coming along nicely. A couple water drops there, but other than that, yeah. I did sand this side a little bit. Didn't really rinse it off at all, you can see. But that's about where I'm at. That's about all I'm gonna do today. So, happy Easter Sunday. Maybe more tomorrow.